My name is Emma. I am 30 years old. I live in a small town. My town is quiet and peaceful. There are many trees, small houses, and friendly people in my town. I live with my mother and my younger brother. My father died when I was young, so my mother takes care of us. My brother is 15 years old. He goes to school every day. I work in a hospital. I am a nurse. My job is to help sick people. Every day, I wake up early in the morning. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and eat breakfast with my family. My mother always makes tea and bread for breakfast. Sometimes she cooks eggs. Sometimes she cooks porridge. We sit together at the small table. I talk with my mother and I listen to my brother's school stories. After breakfast, I leave for work. I walk to the bus stop. The air is fresh in the morning. Birds sing with trees. I see my neighbors sweeping the ground, washing clothes, or preparing food. They smile and say, "Good morning, Emma." I smile and say, "Good morning." The bus arrives. It is not very big. Many people enter the bus. Some go to offices, some go to shops, some go to school. I sit near the window and watch the town. I see children walking with their school bags. I see shopkeepers opening their shops. I see farmers going to the fields. I see old men sitting under trees, talking together. After 20 minutes, I arrive at the hospital. The hospital is big and busy. There are many people waiting outside. Some are coughing, some are holding children, some are sitting quietly. I walk inside and greet the guard. First, I change my clothes. I wear my white nurse uniform. I put on a mask, gloves, and a name card. Then I take my notebook and pen. Now I am ready to start work. In the morning, I check the patients. Some are sleeping, some are awake and waiting for medicine. I say, "Good morning. How are you today?" Some smile, some complain, some stay quiet. I give medicine to each patient. I check their temperature and blood pressure. I write the results in my notebook. Sometimes I change bandages. Sometimes I clean wounds. Sometimes I help patients to walk slowly. There is one old woman in the ward. Her name is Maria. She is 70 years old. She is weak, but she is very kind. Every day she says to me, "Thank you, my daughter. You are very good." Her words make me happy. There is also a young boy named Adam. He is only 8 years old. He broke his leg while playing football. He cannot walk now. He always asks me, "Nurse, when can I play again?" I smile and say, "Soon, Adam. Be patient. You will play again." He laughs and says, "I will score many goals." In the afternoon, I help the doctor during checkups. The doctor asks questions to the patients. I write the answers. Sometimes the doctor gives new medicine. Sometimes he tells the patient to go for tests. I guide the patients to the right room. At lunchtime, I sit with other nurses. We open our lunchboxes. Some bring rice, some bring bread, some bring vegetables. We share food. We talk about our families and our work. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we complain, but we always support each other. After lunch, I return to my patients. Some families come to visit. They bring fruits, juice, or flowers. They sit beside the patients and talk kindly. I like to see families together. It gives patients hope. But sometimes families cry. Sometimes the patient is very sick. Sometimes the doctor gives bad news. I stay near the family and try to give comfort. It is not easy, but it is my duty. At the end of the day, I feel tired. My feet hurt from walking. My head feels heavy. But when I see patients smiling, I feel proud. I know my work is important. When my shift ends, I change my clothes. I leave the hospital and take the bus again. This time, the sun is going down. The sky is orange and pink. People are walking home from work. Children are playing in the street. Shops are closing slowly. When I reach home, my mother is waiting. She cooks warm food for us. We sit together at the table. We eat rice with vegetables, sometimes chicken or fish. My brother talks about school. He tells us about his teacher, his friends, and his homework. We laugh together. After dinner, I help my brother with his homework. Then I wash the dishes. Later, I sit quietly and read a small book. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I write in my diary. Finally, I pray and thank God for the day. Then I sleep. Life is not easy, but life is beautiful. I believe kindness makes life better. Every smile, every kind word, every small help can change someone's day. That is why I love my work. The next day, I wake up early again. The sun is shining through the window. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. A new day is beginning. I go to the kitchen. My mother is already awake. She is cooking breakfast. The smell of bread fills the room. "Good morning, Emma," she says. "Good morning, Mama," I reply. My brother is still sleepy. He yawns and says, "I don't want to go to school today." We all laugh. After breakfast, I leave for work. I walk to the bus stop. Along the way, I greet my neighbors. One old man is watering his garden. One woman is hanging clothes in the sun. Children are playing and running. Everyone seems happy this morning. The bus arrives. I sit again near the window. I watch the fields outside the town. The farmers are already working. Some are planting seeds. Some are cutting grass. Some are feeding animals. I like to watch the simple life of the farmers. At the hospital, I change into my uniform. The white clothes make me feel strong and responsible. I begin my work. Today, there are many new patients. One man has a fever. One woman is coughing a lot. A little girl has a cut on her hand. I help each one carefully. I clean the cut on the little girl's hand. She cries because it hurts. I smile and say, "Be brave. You are strong." She looks at me with big eyes and stops crying. Her mother thanks me again and again. In the next room, I see Maria, the old woman. She smiles when she sees me. "Good morning, my daughter," she says. I sit beside her for a few minutes. She tells me stories about her youth. She says, "When I was young, life was simple. We worked hard, but we were happy. I enjoy listening to her. Even though she is sick, her heart is full of wisdom. Later, I visit Adam, the boy with the broken leg. He is reading a comic book. "Hello, Adam," I say. He grins. "Nurse, can you play a game with me?" I laugh. "I have work now, but later I will play with you." He nods and goes back to his comic. At noon, I help the doctor again. The doctor is kind but serious. He checks each patient carefully. He asks questions and gives advice. I write everything in my notebook. After lunch, I walk to the emergency room. It is always busy. Today, a man comes with a broken arm. He fell from a bicycle. He is in pain, but he tries to stay calm. We clean the wound and put a cast on his arm. He thanks us before leaving. Sometimes emergencies are very difficult. Sometimes people cry, sometimes people shout. But I remind myself, stay calm, stay kind, stay strong. The hospital is a place of both sadness and hope. Some people die, some people live. Some people cry, some people smile. Every day is different. When my shift ends, I feel tired again, but my heart is full of small stories. Each patient gives me a memory. Each smile gives me energy. On the bus home, I look at the sunset. The sky is red, orange, and purple. It is beautiful. I close my eyes and rest for a while. At home, my brother is waiting. He says, "Sister, can you help me with math?" I sit with him and explain. At first, he does not understand. But after some practice, he smiles. "Oh, now I get it," he says. I feel proud of him. After dinner, I sit outside for a few minutes. The night air is cool. The stars shine above me. I think about my life. It is not easy, but it is meaningful. I want to continue helping people. I want to become a better nurse. One day, maybe I will study more and become a doctor. But for now, I am happy to serve in my way. The next week, something new happens. A big storm comes to our town. The wind is strong and the rain is heavy. Trees fall, roads flood, and many people are hurt. The hospital becomes full of patients. Some have broken bones, some have cuts, some are sick from the cold rain. We work day and night. There is no time to rest. I carry patients from the entrance to the beds. I give water and medicine. I calm children who are afraid. I hold the hands of old people who cry. The storm is outside, but the storm is also inside the hospital. I feel very tired, but I do not stop. Other nurses also work hard. We help each other. We encourage each other. After 2 days, the storm ends. The sun comes back. The town is damaged, but the people are strong. Slowly, life returns to normal. When I walk home after the storm, I see broken trees and damaged houses. But I also see neighbors helping each other. Some repair roofs. Some give food to others. Some clean the roads. It makes me feel proud of my town. At home, my mother hugs me. She says, "Emma, I was worried. You worked so much, but you are safe." I smile and hug her back. I say, "Mommy, our town is safe too. That is what matters. That night, I sleep deeply. My body is tired, but my heart is peaceful. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope it helped you practice English and enjoy reading. If you liked this story, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can join us for more English stories. The next part of this story will be coming soon. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.